Hello friends, welcome back once again. Today I will show how to play Parishuddha Prabhuva song. Friends, as we know, this song is used for worship more frequently in various ceremonies in our Telugu Christian world. Friends, this song is in Shankarabharanam Ragam and Triputa Talam. As you know, in my last video I have shown you Shankarabharanam Ragam reeds. They are all white keys. That is Sa, Ritu, Gatu, Mavan, Pa, Datu, Nitu and Sa. All whites constitute Shankarabharanam Ragam. Okay friends, now we shall see how to play the Pallavi and Charnam with single swaram. That is applicable for both of them. Sa 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 ri ga ri sa ni da ni sa ri 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 ga ma sa ga ri sa ni sa ga ma pa 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 ma 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 ri ri ga 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 ma pa pa sa ga ri sa ni ri. Friends, you can listen that Pallavi. Friends, this is applicable for Charnams also, for all Charnams. That is, you can listen the same swaram for Charnam, that is. Thank you friends.